अपादमौलिपर्यन्तां गुरूणाम् आकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नप्रणश्यन्ति सिद्धन्ति च मनोरथः। लक्ष्मीतनोतु नितरामितरानपेक्षम् अङ्गत्वयं निर्मशाकिशिखा प्रवालम् हैरम्बमम्बुरुहडम्बरचौर्यनिक्रं विघ्नाद्रिभीतशतधारधुरन्धरन् सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So we had started with the Tritiya Vibhakti and we had completed the first three abhyasas. In that, I think the third one, Saha. So Tritiya Vibhakti is used for the aid to karma. So whatever helps the karma through that we conduct the karma, therefore we are going to use Tritiya Vibhakti. And the third exercise was whenever there is the word Saha. Saha is basically with. So anything that we use with, any person that we are with, any karma through that when the karma is indicated, that Saha is used. So here Mitram, Mitrena, Shivena, we finished those forms. Sarvanama Padas we had left out, so we will do that and we will it will be helpful for us for the third and the other exercises. So we went through some of the Sarvanama Padas in Dvitiya Vibhakti. One of them was Saha. Saha for Pullinga, Sa for Strilinga, Tat for Napumsakalinga. And this is for pronouns. Sarvanama Padas are pronouns. So that is one. And then later on in Dvitiya Vibhakti itself, we saw Eshaha, Esha, Etat. Then we saw Bhavati, Bhavan. Then Asmad and Yushmad. So all of them, we will see the different Tritiya Vibhakti forms. So for Saha, the Tritiya Vibhakti form is Tena Tabhyam Taihi. Tena Tabhyam Taihi. So if we remember Rama, so Ramapada, it was Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi, no? So same works out for um, the he word, that is Saha Sarvanama Pada also. So simple changes. Yeah, Vibhakti. In the same way, Ye Shaha. Ye Shaha is also for Napumsakalinga only. So same simple this thing will come, changes will come. So for Eshaha, it is going to be Etena. Then Etabhyam, Etaihi. This Yeshaha. Now, in the same way, for Strilinga, that is Sa. So for Sa, nothing much changes. It is going to be a little like Rama was Ramaya, so it is going to be Taya. And Tabhyam is going to be the same. Here it was Rama Bhihi, so there it's going to be Tabhihi. That's all. Tabhyam Tabhihi. For Esha, so it is going to be similar to Sa itself. So it is going to be E, yeah. Next, word was Bhavati. So for Bhavati, first, fine. Bhavati, Ikara, we know that Kartari became what? Kartarya. So that Ikara will become Ya, same to be followed. So Bhavati will become Bhavatya. Then E Bhyam. No changes over there. So it is going to be Bhavati Bhyam. Brother. Then Bhavati Bhihi. No changes with it. Was E. Next, Bhavan. So for Bhavan, it was okay. Bhavan a little different. We don't have the index. So Bhavan is Bhavata. Then Bhavadbhyam, and then Bhavadbhi. This is for Bhavan. Bhavata, Bhavatbhyam, Bhavatbhihi. Then what is that? Then Asmat. Asmat, again Sarvanama. So for Asmat, it is going to be Maya, through me. Then Avabhyam, Asmabhihi. So for this, it was Ayam, Avam, Vayam. Then Dvitiya was Mam, Avam, Asman. Then Maya, Avabhyam, Asmabhihi. So the changes are accordingly. So if we see the Ekavachana, so you'll see Aham, I am, Mam, then it would be Maya, through me. So like that, the changes are according to that. So when we construct sentences, if we understand the meaning, then it would be much more easier. Even when it comes to Sarvanama Padas, they all mean certain different things and in different varieties. There, when we try to convert it into English, it is only he or she or this or that's all. Because Asia is going to be only that or this or some like that. That's all. It would be limited to that. But the usage of that in what context that we have to understand. One more. Yushmat. So for Yushmat, it is going to be Yushmat is the second person. So we know that for Yushmat it is Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam, Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. So Tritiya is going to be Tvaya, through you. Then Yuvabhyam, Abhyam, Dvitiya Vachana doesn't, Vivachana doesn't change much at all. So it is going to be Abhyam and Abhihi. So it is going to be Yuvabhyam and Yuvabhihi. Uh, so Tvaya, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhihi. This is for Yushmat. So this is you, second person. This is first person. And this is he. No, Bhavata. What is your name? Your, Y-O, your. Your for male, and then this is female. And then Eshaha, this, he, this is. So Eshaha, Ganeshaha, this is for he, masculine form, and Esha is for feminine form. Etat is left out. No? Tat and Etat is left. So Tat we already know, I suppose. So Tat is going to be very easy to understand when it comes to Napamsakalinga, because same thing, as that doesn't change. So Tat is going to be Tena Taphyam Taihi. Same, because if you remember, For all this thing, it was similar to um, um Pullinga, similar to the Pullinga itself, it is going to be. So it is going to be Tena Abhyam Taihi. Etat is going to be a little changed version of this. No big changes. So Etat is going to be Etena. It's going to be the same over here. Etabhyam. So these are all the Sarvanama Padas that we will be using, and these are practically everything that we'll need to complete the exercises and all that. So one thing that we need to keep in mind is while we are trying to complete the exercises, they cannot make us understand without sentences. But the point of this Vibhakti Vallari is not for us to understand each and every word. It is to particularly understand what are the different forms of Vibhaktis. Once we understand the Vibhaktis, their usage and their forms, then we will start constructing sentences. We are not there yet. We still have to do Karakam to understand what each of these Vibhaktis are going to mean. That is also there. There are 6 kind of Karakam. And based on that, we will understand what these mean, when they should be used, in what usage. Right now, the focus should be solely on changing the words to their particular forms. So Tritiya Vibhakti form. And here they only given Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. So that is all that should be focused on. Because if we start learning everything at once, then there are some things that is beyond this current level. So we will not be able to do much over there. So keeping this, we will move on to that third exercise where 2, 3, I think we had missed, we had skipped. So we will do that. So we will redoing this third one. Ravihi Mitrena Saha Nagaram Gatavan. Then Gopalaha Shivena Saha Sambhashanam Kritavan. Ha. Govindaha Bhavati. If we remember, Bhavati is what Vachana? Which Vachana is Bhavati?
Strilinga.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
Ekavachanam.
Ha. So it is going to be Ekavachana. Tritiya Vibhakti is going to be
Bhavatya.
Bhavatya.
Bhavatya. Bhavatya Saha Charcha they have given. Charcha is Prathama Vibhakti only. But if you look at the karma, it has to be changed to Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Charcha will become
Charcham.
Charcham. So Govindaha Bhavatya Saha Charcham Kritavan. So that would be the sentence over here. Okay. Next, Putri is going to be
Putriya.
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 Bhagini is going to be
Bhaginya.
Bhaginya.
Bhaginya. Bhavan is going to be
Bhavata.
Bhavata.
Bhavata. Bhavata. So Bhavan Tritiya Vibhakti is Bhavata. Bhavan is actually a little different because we don't have the nominal Akaranta, Ikaranta like that. So this is Bhavata. Next.
How would
Sainikaha.
the sentence go, Mahadev?
Which one?
Kaha
Kaha. This is a
bhavatya
question. This is a question. Kaha Bhavata saha agatavan. Agatavan actually it is kaha is the question who came with along with you. So it is kaha bhavata saha agatavan.
Okay.
Then Raja Sainikaha is going to be Sainikaha. It is a Pullinga, Bahuvachana. So it is going to be Sainikai.
बहुवचनं सैनिकैः
Ha. Then Sakhyaha, Sakhi, Sakhyaha, Bahuvachanam. So for this it is going to be Tritiya Vibhakti is going to be
सख्याभिः
no Ibihi,
सख्याभिः
Ibihi, Sakhibihi. For Ikaranta Strilinga, no?
सखीभिः
Ikaranta Strilinga endings are Ibhihi, no?
yes भवतीभिः yes
So it is going to be Sakhibihi. Okay. Then,
सखीभिः okay.
Then aswasthaha is Pullinga itself. Aswasthaha they have given, which means it is Bahuvachana. So it is going to be Aswasthaihi.
अस्वस्थैः
We have to remember Rama. We have to remember it Ramaha. Then Ramau, Ramana, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. So we have to remember that. So that is how we are going to draw it. So Krishna we have to apply. Krishna, Krishnaha. Then Krishnam, Krishnan, Krishnena, Krishnabhyam, Krishnai.
अभ्यां कृष्णैः
So we have to select the nominal shabdas that we are learning is Rama representing Akaranta Pullinga. But how many Akaranta Pullingas are there? So many. So we have to juxtapose that. We have to take this. Sainikaha is also Akaranta. So Sainika, we have to prepare the Shabda Rupa for that. Like that. Last one is it? Kaha bhavatyaha agachanti. They have given. Same meaning. Kaha bhavatyaha. So this is in Bahuvachana. Okay. So now what is going to be for bhavatyaha? What is the rupa?
भवतीभिः
Bhavatibihi, because it is Strilinga and Bahuvachana. Bhavati is the nominal word, so bhavatibihi. Very good. So it is
so
kaha
it will be
bhavati.
भवतीभिः आगच्छन्ति
You have to add saha. This exercise is always saha. You have to add the word saha. After Tritiya Vibhakti, you have to add saha.
सः
Uh,
वै
so
सः महोदय
with. Saha is with. Pita putrena saha nagaram gacchati. The father went to the
okay okay
nagaram
with
with his son. So
okay
Ravi went to the nagaram with his friends. Mitrena saha. Then
okay
Gopalaha sambhashanam Shivena saha. So with Shiva, Shivena. Okay. So then Govindaha bhavatya
भवत्या
saha
सह
charchaam.
चर्चां
Ah,
कृतवान्
Kritavan. So with is always, so this is
okay
with can be it can be with people, with can be for instruments, some table, chair, whatever it may be. So for
okay
with we take saha. Okay.
okay
Next exercise is just the opposite of that. Without. So for without we
विना
use the words vina.
विना
Huh. धनेन विना कोऽपि न जीवति. Without money, nobody can live. Okay. So whenever we are using without also, we are going to use Tritiya Vibhakti only. So now the exercise, the fourth exercise is you have to decide. There are three vargas, three categories of sentences, five in each. First one is kartum na shaknoti, cannot be done. Kartum na shaknoti, shaknoti cannot, or actually it is can and cannot. Both na shaknoti is cannot, shaknoti is can. Okay. Shaknoti, shaknuvanti, shakyate, all these means can words. Kartum, doing it. Na shaknoti, cannot be done. Karoti, na karoti, two words. So na karoti will not do. Karoti is will do. Okay. Or will be done. So in this sense, they have given sentences. These sentences, the first word has to be converted to Tritiya Vibhakti, and then it has to be, the word vina has to be added over here. So we will look at the sentence over here. They have given Lekhani, Lekhanya, I've converted into Tritiya Vibhakti form. Vina I have added, then rest remains the same. Harihi lekhitum na shaknoti. So now karyam they have given. Karyam they have given means converting it into Tritiya Vibhakti. What will it be? Karyam will become what?
कार्येण
Karyena. Karyena vina Ramaha sthatum na shaknoti. So they have given two blanks. One blank is fixed for vina. The second blank is fixed for vina. Okay. The first blank, what you have to do is we just have to change this first word into Tritiya Vibhakti form. So upanetram, upanetrena, padaraksha. So this is going to be
Padarakshaya.
Padarakshaya. Correct. Akaranta Strilinga. Then Asandaha.
Asandena.
Asandena. It is again Pullinga. Yes.
Pullinga. Pullinga.
Dantaha.
That is Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana.
Strilinga Bahuvachana.
What is it going to be? Dantaha.
Dantabhihi.
Dantaha is going to be which one?
Ramaha.
No, no, no.
Ramaihi.
Rama or Pullinga or Strilinga, first of all. Okay, dantaha, dantau, dantaha. It is. It is Rama Shabda only. So it is going to be
Dantaihi.
dantaihi vina. Vruddhaha charvanam kartum na shaknoti. Okay. So those are the forms. Then na karoti. Same we have to do. Vina is going to be filled in the second blank. First blank we have to convert all the words to Tritiya Vibhakti. So Atma Vishwasaha is the word. So it is going to be
Atmavishwasena vina.
ha Atma Vishwasena saha vina saha karyam na karoti. Okay. Then Karyanam. Karyanam.
Karya. It's Napunsakalinga.
Correct.
Karyena.
Karyanena.
Karyanena. Karyanena.
Ha. Vina. कार्यानेन विना धनिकः सञ्चारं न करोति. Next one, कूर्चः.
कूर्चः भी अब डालना, कूर्चेन,
कूर्चेन. घटी.
कूर्चेन, घटी, ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग,
हम्म.
घट्या,
घट्या
घटया,
विना, हाँ, घट्या
घट्या,
विना सः कुत्रापि न गच्छति. ओके. धनम.
पुंसकलिंग,
हम्म.
धनेन,
अनेन
धनेन. So easy way to remember is for pullinga and for napumsakalinga, ena only is there. No changes. So if you look at this over here, see, tena for saha also, for tat also it is tena only. No changes in the form. It remains same. Okay. Only for Strilinga changes are there. And what are the changes? We already been through Akaranta, Ukaranta, Ikaranta in the previous exercise. So I have given the forms. Akaranta, Ikaranta are mostly used. Akaranta is Taya, Ramaya, Lataya, Taya will come. Okay. Ikaranta is going to be Tya, Bhavati, Bhavatya. That we have to remember. That's all. Lekhani, Lekhanya. Okay.
ईकारांत त्या and आकारांत
Taya.
tulaya,
Ha.
lataya, like that. Okay.
Yes. So much we have to remember. So ghati is ghatya. Okay. Now, next part is only 5 more. We will finish that and we will conclude. Agnihi. Napam, this is,
ईकारांत
अग्नि
sorry, not
स्त्रीलिंग, अग्नि,
pullinga. Agnihi is pullinga.
अग्निना
Hmm.
अग्निना विना
Agnina
just like
vina.
that
Next.
अग्नि is pullinga, Madhya. Visarga is there, right?
इकारांत पुल्लिंग
Pullinga.
just like दधिः दधिः no
See,
दधिः is
usually
नपुंसकलिंग
usually whenever the visarga comes for now we have to take it as pullinga, because we have not started identifying we have not gone to the halanta part of it, and even beyond ikaranta also we haven't gone. So right now it is, yes, agnihi is actually, agnihi is pullinga only, but it is ikaranta, so easy to identify. Instead of the antas, whenever visarga comes, consider it as pullinga itself.
अग्निना
Ah,
So it is like harihi.
या
yes,
अग्नि
Okay.
हाँ हरि
harihi.
yes
Then shayya.
स्त्रीलिंग,
शय्यायां
शय्यया,
नहीं
Shayyaya.
शय्यायां शय्यायां
Ah,
sorry
shayyaya. Very good. Then aharaha.
पुल्लिंगः,
आहारेण विना
Hmm.
आहारेण आहारेण
Pullinga. Ahara, aharena.
आहारेण,
आहारेण विना
Ah, lokayanam,
लोकयानेन,
लोकयानेन
lokayanena. Ah, anyasahayam. Others help. It means anyasahayam.
अन्यसहायेन
अन्य
येन,
साहाय्येन विना
Anyasahayena.
कारेण
That's all. So this is the exercise. No changes. See, to complete the exercises, we just have to focus on what they are asking us to learn. We cannot learn the whole thing at once. Okay. So the point of the exercises is just to make you familiarize with the forms, the change in forms. So we need to remember Tritiya Vibhakti forms. That's all. There will come a time where we will go to Vakya Rachana. There is a book called as Vakya Vyavaharaha. When we do that, you will learn the sentences, how it is formed, and what is the meaning of the words. But right now, Vibhakti Vallari is not for learning those things. It is purely for you to understand the different forms of vibhaktis, that's all. Because there are too many words. Okay. So now I think this is clear. Please work this out once again. Tomorrow we will complete off the from the next. We will take from the next exercise. Astu.
Mahodaya, what is स्थातुं? कार्यं विना रामः स्थातुं न शक्नोति.
Okay, I'll put it in the group. Okay, it's less than a minute. I just want to conclude. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः प्रतिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिमहिष गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि अस्तु
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवाद Mahodaya. Stha means to stay, no? So, can it mean sthatum na shaknoti? Without work,
cannot
Rama
stay
cannot do.